ਪਿਆਰ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਸ਼ਰਵਣ ਕਰਨਾ ਜੀ। Today's Hukamnama is blessing from Sachkhand Shri Harmandir Sahib. Hukamnama is placed in Dhan Dhan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj on Ang 626. Dhan Dhan Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, the fifth emperor, fifth Saroop and embodiment of Dhan Dhan Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, reveals that Guru is so vital in our life. Guru Maharaj has composed the Hukamnama in Rag Sorat, which inspires the mind, motivates the mind to create the passion. Passion is very, very essential to do anything perfectly. When you have a passion, you forget the negativity. You always go for the positive aspect. Reading the Hukamnama imparts the positivity in our thoughts, in our life. Also imparts the wisdom what we should ask from our gurus. When you come to the Gurdwara, what do you ask for? Are you asking for career progression, prosperity in your life, material, or something else? In today's Hukamnama, Guru Maharaj reveals Gur apne balihari. I sacrifice myself to my Guru. By sacrifice means that you give your body, mind and wealth to Guru. This body is not your body. The body you think is yours is not your body. That's how you become balihar. You sacrifice yourself to Guru. The mind you think is your mind is not your mind. Which means your mind should think as per Guru's teaching. Tan. Tan man tan sab somp Guru ko hukam maniya paiya. If you want to reach the ultimate goal of your life, you have to sacrifice your body, mind and wealth, which is very important. Everyone earns money. But how you are utilizing your money is very, very important. Are you using the money given to you by Vaheguru so that you can progress spiritually? Also, you can help other people to grow spiritually and become one with Vaheguru. That's the only objective. That should be the objective. Rather than wasting the money in gambling, holidays. Remember, you can go on holidays, relax your mind, but at the end of the day, if you fail to become one with Vaheguru, you have gambled away your money. So it's very, very important to understand how we sacrifice ourselves to the Guru. Gur apne balihari. When we hand over our body to Guru, we don't care what people say about our appearance, which is natural appearance. Because Guru Maharaj has instructed us to keep our body natural as given by God. So hand over your body to Guru, hand over your mind to Guru. Now question is, who is the Guru? Guru is one who gives you the knowledge. I've looked at the internet, different posters, advertisements, and people advertise their master as the karate guru, martial art guru, or maths guru. But the definition of guru according to Guru Granth Sahib Maharaj is Sat Purukh Jin Janaya Satguru Tiska Now. The definition of Satguru, the true Guru, is that being who has realized the Satpurakh, the true being, Almighty God. Tiske sang Sikh udre Nanak har gun gaun. In the company of the Guru, a Gursikh acquires the knowledge, the divine wisdom, and liberates himself or herself from the clutches of Maya, the material. That way, as we connect more to Vaheguru, we get strength and wisdom. So Guru Maharaj reveals, Gur apne balihari jin puran paj swari. Paj means honor. Guru has helped me to become one with Vaheguru. My one desire has been accomplished. And my honor is preserved in this life and the next life. I have become eternal. Man chandya phal paya. The lalla of phal means fruit, has onkad. Onkad means this word is singular. Only one fruit. So there is only one fruit I wanted to obtain. That is the fruit of Vaheguru's Naam, Vaheguru's nectar, the Amrit. Prabh apna sadate aaya. Now rather than asking for materialistic things which are temporary, I asked Guru to help me to unite with Vaheguru. Now 24/7 I remember my Vaheguru. This was my desire of the heart. Santoho tis bin avar na koi, karan karan prabh soi rahao. Then Guru Maharaj addresses the Sangat and honors everyone in the Sangat as a saint. That's why the congregation is referred to as Sad Sangat, Sat Sang. Sat Sangat kaisi jani hai, jithe eko naam vakhani hai. Where Vaheguru's name is being chanted, glory of Vaheguru is being talked about, that is Sat Sangat. It may be two of you, just maybe you on your own thinking about Vaheguru, that is Sat Sangat. You are doing the Sangat of the true being when you remember Vaheguru. So Guru Maharaj addresses the Sangat, O saints, without Vaheguru there is nothing else. Whatever you see with your eyes, whatever you can sense with your sensory system, is all Vaheguru. Whatever you can't see is also Vaheguru. Sargun, Nirgun, Nirankar, Sun Samadhi Aap. Manifestation and unmanifest world is all Vaheguru's creation. Karan Karan Prabh Soi, whatever happens, Vaheguru is the cause. And Vaheguru is the doer. Karan Karan. Karan is cause. Apne Prabh apne var dine, Vaheguru has blessed me with his mercy. Sagal jeev vaskine, all the beings have come under control. Vas means to come under control. So Satsanga ji, I'll give you an example of my grandmother who was not very educated, because in olden times hardly people went to school. But she was reciting Gurbani 24/7. She inspired me and all my brothers and sisters to come closer to Guru. Whatever she said, everyone obeyed, because she had that grace, that kirpa of Vaheguru. Everyone listened to her. So Guru Maharaj reveals, once you connect with Vaheguru, you get that power and wisdom and authority. जन नानक नाम ते आया तां सगले दुख मिटाया. Now the servant Nanak, Jan means servant. Servant Nanak meditates on Vaheguru's name, and all the dukh, all the pains and sufferings have departed. Satsangaji, one small example I want to share, that sometimes we start following people, and that is very, very sad. We should do our own study reading Gurbani. Lot of people, they go around different gurdwaras, they look like Gursikhs, but they give you wrong advice. For example, such people, they inspire the youth to take Amrit, then they tell them that don't deal with the non-Amritdharis. Let it be your parents. Now, some youth, they have taken Amrit, gone back home, and they have started arguing with their own parents. And Guru Maharaj reveals in the Bani, Guru's teaching is that arguing with your parents, your brothers and sisters, for that reason, with anyone is the biggest sin. People who argue, they are empty inside. Empty vessel makes more noise. When vessel is filled with the liquid, it doesn't make noise. Similarly, a person who is without the gyan, without the knowledge, without Vaheguru's kirpa, makes more noise, will be more argumentative. So such people, they started arguing with the mother that we can't accept food from your hand. Now this is not Guru's teaching. This is some individual person's teaching. So Guru Maharaj reveals in the Bani, Guru Jina ka andala. People who follow other people rather than Guru Granth Sahib's Bani, Guru Jina ka andala Sikh bhi ande karam kamaye. The people who follow them, the blind gurus, the Babe, the fake Babe, they also go blind. In nutshell, कूड़ कुस्त कमावदे पर निंदा सदा करेन, ओए आप डुबे पर निंदका सगले कुल डुबेन. Such fake Babe, they ask their disciples to do the ninda of Gurmukhs. Not only they drown themselves, but they drown their whole family. Ninda pali kise ki nahi, manmukh mugat karan. Moh kale tina nindaka, narke kor pavan. Never, never slander anyone, insult anyone, look down upon anyone. Because if you sacrifice to your Guru, Gur apne balehari, then you sacrifice your thinking as well to the Guru. You embrace Guru's thinking. And Guru is saying, Ustat ninda dong tyage khoje pad nirvana. Don't praise anyone and don't insult anyone. That's how you sacrifice yourself to Guru and remain in Chardi Kala and Anand and total bliss all the time. Pullan Chukan di maafi, pyar na fateh sanji karni ji. Vaheguru ji ka khalsa.